Long ago, there was a way discovered to help save the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. To help our local ecosystems and the cities we live in, we need to reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. As a community, we need to reduce the amount of trash we contribute to the landfills and environment, reuse products when possible, recycle all the correct materials, and compost uneaten food to rot to ensure a cleaner and safer environment. Let's focus on each reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot, and how we as individuals and a community can make our local environments cleaner. Amy, would you like to start us off and explain how we can reduce?
Ways we can reduce waste are by buying products in bulk, such as buying a large box of crackers and then portioning them out into small, reusable containers. You can look in your fridge or pantry and identify which items you could buy in larger quantities and portion those out as well.
Plastic water bottles, straws, and other one-time use products are large contributors to pollution in our ecosystems, and eventually make their way out to the ocean where they further damage the ecosystem. So instead of buying a one-time use water bottle like this, instead buy a reusable water bottle. Instead of buying these one-time use plastic straws that, believe it or not, these can't be recycled. These end up in the landfill. Instead, buy these. It's a metal straw or a silicone straw. These could be washed and reused endlessly. Check if some takeout containers are reusable. There's some restaurants here in Martinez that I know reuse them, and I keep them and use them for my lunches every day. Some of them are even microwave safe. Better yet, invest in a reusable lunchbox or sandwich container.
If you're in a situation where you can't use a reusable water bottle or container, the next best thing to do is to recycle. When you recycle, you are turning old used items into new items. Just make sure it's empty, clean, and dry. When you're totally done with your disposable bottle, don't forget you can always take it to your local recycling center and redeem it for CRV.
Rot. You can use a compost bin to place any food left over from any meal to be composted into soil for farmers or your local garden. Composting, recycling keeps unwanted food waste out of the ecosystem landfill.
Hi, Tina Wong here from New Leaf Collaborative, and I'm here with Keith Park here at the John Muir Historical Site. Really great to see you, Keith. Can you tell us more about what you do here at the National Park Service?
Yeah, absolutely, Tina, thanks. My name is Keith Park, and I'm a horticulturist here at the John Muir National Historic Site.
I get to introduce you today to James Boyce from the Boys and Girls Club, who is going to be coming right now.
So Keith, tell us how composting works on site here.
Sure, James. Well, so at the John Muir National Historic Site, when I got here about 10 years ago, I don't believe we were doing much composting or green waste recycling. So I was brought up and educated that that was really important for various reasons. First of all, it takes a lot of green waste and decomposing stuff out of the landfill waste stream, but also it really utilizes nature's bounty, and what we do is compost all of our green waste down and return it to the soil and the plants as would happen in nature anyways. So we're basically kind of managing a natural process and trying to make the site look tidier at the same time.
Reducing, reusing, and recycling and composting are essential to keep our environments clean. Reduce the amount of waste, reuse when possible, recycle all appropriate materials, and compost food scraps, and together we will make a cleaner environment.